In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete or merge sections in Google Forms. If you're organizing a form and want to simplify the flow, merging or deleting sections is a quick way to clean things up. This is especially useful if you've split your form into multiple parts and later decide that one section is no longer needed or that two sections should really be combined into one. To get started, open your Google form in edit mode. Once you're inside the form, scroll to the section you want to work with. In Google Forms, each section has its own options menu, and that's where both the merge and delete tools are located. If you want to merge a section with the one above it, go to the section you'd like to combine, then click the three-dot menu next to that section. This opens a small drop-down of available actions. From that menu, choose Merge with Above. As soon as you click it, Google Forms will combine the current section into the section directly above it. This can help reduce unnecessary breaks in the form and make the experience smoother for anyone filling it out. Now, if instead you want to delete a section entirely, stay on the section you want to remove and click the three-dot menu again. This is the same menu you used for merging, but this time you'll choose Delete Section. After you click that option, Google Forms will ask you to confirm the action. Click OK to continue. Once confirmed, the section will be removed from your form. Keep in mind that deleting a section can also remove the questions inside it. So it's a good idea to double check that you no longer need that content before confirming. If you're unsure, you may want to review the section first before deleting it. That's all there is to it. Open your form, use the three-dot menu on the section you want to edit, choose Merge with Above if you want to combine sections, or select Delete Section if you want to remove one, and then confirm by clicking OK. These small editing tools can make a big difference when you're refining a form and improving its structure. A cleaner form is often easier for respondents to complete, so taking a moment to merge or delete unnecessary sections can really help. Thanks for watching, and that's how to delete or merge sections in Google Forms.